all in Kanha Math classes for 12th Maths, NCERT pattern and CBSE boards based. Yesterday I was analyzed the idea of finding the order and degree of the differential equation, and also tried about the definition of differential equation, that what is the differential equation. I want to memorize again you about differential equation. A equation in a polynomial of derivative, that is dy by dx, d square y dx square, d cube y dx cube etc. I mean a polynomial equation in only derivative of dependent variable based on some other independent variable is known as the differential equation. Here if we want to project a concept in your mind, that here my aim is to memorize you, to project in your mind the order and degree of polynomial equations, as I have already discussed earlier in previous video, that the highest order of the polynomial means, in brief we have already stated you y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, and for more than 3 we have advised you to use ym. It means the derivative order. Y dash means of the order 1, y double dash means the order 2. Hence the highest order of polynomials of the derivative is known as the order of differential equation, whereas the power of highest order of the derivative in polynomials is known as the degree of the differential equation. In order to refresh your mind for degree and order of the polynomials, we here reinstate to give a slight ray on the question number 7 to 12 by a simplest way. Here we write the question number, here differential equation, and here we will discuss you orally the order of the differential equation, and here degree of differential equation. Now if you observe the equation under question number 7, that is y third. Y third means d cube y upon dx cube plus 2 y double dash means 2 d square y dx square plus y single dash means dy by dx is equal to 0. Here we observe by inspection you that the highest order of the derivative is 3. Highest order of the derivative is 3. Hence the order of the differential equation will be obviously here 3. And the power of highest order of the differential equation, u means the highest order term is y3 dash, but this has none power, means the only one power. It means the degree of this differential equation of polynomials in derivative will be equal to 1, because the highest order of the derivative has only one power. In the same sequence we will try to find out the order and degree of the differential equation under question number 8. Here we see very clearly y dash plus y is equal to ex. This is the differential equation, and we have to find out the order and degree of this differential equation. Clearly you see that the order of this differential equation is 1 and power is also 1, so the degree is 1. Hence the order of polynomial differential equation under question number 8 is 1 and degree is also 1. Now in question number 9 we observe here y double dash plus y dash square plus 2y is equal to 0. It is very distinct that from the power point of view, the derivative y dash is the highest power, I mean 2, but according to definition of degree, the power of highest order of derivative, here highest order of derivative means y double dash, but this derivative has only one power, hence its order will be 2 and degree will be 1. Order will be 2 and degree will be 1. Now we come on the question number 10, that is y double dash plus 2y dash plus sine of y is equal to 0. Here we see that the highest order of the polynomials in derivative is 2, because here we have right 2 dash means d square y upon dx square, hence the order of this differential equation of polynomials of derivative is 2. But so far the degree of this differential equation is concerned, here we see that this is not defined, because here instead of derivative we have written in the question sine of y, hence the degree of this differential equation is not defined. Not defined. Now come on the question number 11. It's very distinct vision that d square y upon dx square power 3 plus dy by dx power 2 plus sine of dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we see the order of highest derivative, means here d square y dx square is the highest order of derivative, means its order is 2. But so far the degree of the differential equation is concerned, if this term doesn't exist, then the degree of the differential equation will be equal to 3, because the higher power is 3 here. But this is not defined, because we have sine of dy by dx. Not only derivative lies here, but sine of derivative, hence it is not defined. However, in question number 11 of differential equation, we have defined here that the degree is not defined, but in the question it is required only the order, but we have written here about degree not defined. Take in the question number 12 of differential equation, we will see here 2x square d square y dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Here in question what is to be determined, that is order only or degree. I will describe both order and degree. Here we see the highest order of the derivative is 2, highest order of the derivative is 2 and degree is 1. 2 and degree is 1. Well, I have repeated this exercise for your benefit and in order to develop a clear concept in your mind. Now I want to finish this exercise under 9.1. Thank you for watching this video, and I also advise, if you have a clear concept, then must like, comment the video. Thank you. Subscribe this video